Hello everybody, Tim Knight here. We're going to look at some crypto charts together. Before I do, I want to mention again that very recently reorganized the menus here completely. I know that sounds trivial, but it's actually kind of a big deal because I have managed to put a lot more information in the menus by way of these sub-menus. So check it out, it's worth exploring. And there's a new item here, crypto trading, which is pretty thin right now. I just got 3 items in there, but I'm going to be building that out. I've got a section here on coin charts, which we'll be looking at today. Quant-based trading, which is a new system made by Convict Scott and Mole Cool I've been talking about, and there's a featured page on that. And streaming real-time quotes, which is our crypto stream free product. But crypto is becoming more important every week. I have professed my fondness for it because I find it, to coin a phrase of mine, I find it a very chart-friendly market. And that's part of why I'm doing a video today. I would also mention, particularly to gold and platinum folks, that my shared watch list called Crypto has been really cleaned up. I've got a lot of drawn objects in there. I've really just tidied it up completely. It's a couple of hundred key symbols, and I encourage you to subscribe to that watch list under the shared watch list feature. But what I've done for everybody is I went through all couple of hundred of those and plucked out 30 that we're just going to thumb through swiftly in alphabetical order. And I've deliberately shown the volume pane here. You can remember Control Spacebar toggles that. I'm leaving that on because for most of these, volume is a part of the story. And I'm just going to say a word or two about each of these. This won't be a long video at all. And any of these in particular that grab you, you might want to just look at on your own. But I'll spend just an extra moment here on this first one just to explain about the volume. This is AAVE. Not quite sure how that's pronounced. But notice this hasn't been around that long. And it sort of climbed up from 50 to about 10 times that much. And then it formed this very nice basing pattern, which is just broken above. But look at the volume down here. It's doing just what you want to see. Climb, 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 stronger, stronger, stronger. Bases, and it kind of dies down and gets very weak in the middle and sort of grows and then bursts higher, hundreds of percent higher. So you're getting all this new activity, much higher volume activity in this area as the volume's taking, as the price is breaking out of that zone. And it occurs to me this actually might be a little more clear with the arc tool. Just kind of rough this out real quick. Something along these lines. Yeah, that's better. A little shorter. See? So that's kind of, it's good looking. Looks like a buy to me. So you'll see in many cases that kind of volume agreement with the prices we're going through them. This one you've seen many times, Cardano. I started yakking about it before the rest of the world went crazy about it, just because I like the chart. But it's gotten very popular. As I'm recording this on Friday night, it's at another lifetime high. And you can see what the volume's doing, just going bananas. Algorand, symbol ALGO. And I'm not showing the gargantuan ticker symbol in the middle. I just didn't want to get that to get in the way of the chart. So I'll just sort of utter the tickers as we go through them here. But you can see the inverted head and shoulders on this one. Aragon, symbol ANT, A-N-T. Cosmos, symbol is Atom, A-T-O-M. And look at that volume grow. Once it got above that trend line, look at the growth, hundreds of percent higher on the volume. Bitcoin Diamond, BCD, tremendous explosion in volume recently. Bitcoin Cash, BCH, you've seen this one quite a few times, a very pretty right triangle pattern. Binance Coin, BNB, I'm not crazy about the chart. It's sort of shot its wad already. It's gone up about 20-fold. It was a pretty saucer back in the day, but the gain's sort of done already. Little one you may have heard of called Bitcoin. This, of course, trades billions and billions of dollars every day, and it's kind of vulnerable right now. I think we've got a nice clean head and shoulders right here, and the key is this $47,000 level. If that breaks, frankly, I think the whole crypto space could suffer. That's a pretty substantial head and shoulders, I would wager. Dash, which appropriately is the name is the same as the symbol. These cryptos, sometimes the name and the symbol, they're not even on speaking terms. It's weird how they name some of them, but this one's just DASH. Dogecoin, of course, we've heard all about this, and it looks like it hasn't hardly moved at all, even though it crashed over 50% last week. Went from 74 down to the 35 cents, so more than 50% drop, and it undid some of that drop. Ethereum Classic, of course, nobody was trading this, and then all of a sudden it was in the billions of dollars a day, just went crazy. 1,000% gain in price. But chart friendly, once again, look at these saucers coming up. Here's Ethereum, probably one of the very first cryptos I spent time on Slope talking about, back when it was around 500. You saw this a lot back here at this time period, and it's just exploded onto the scene. It's vastly more popular than when I first started talking about it. Genesis Vision, kind of a younger one, GVT. Once again, look what's going on with the volume on the right side. This is HT, Huobi token, something like that. I'll turn that line off, make it a little more clear on these. Icon Project, ICX. Kyber Network, KNC. Once again, volume, big. Kusama, KSM. And this too has a big volume growth, and it's just sneaking above that range there. Chainlink, this has been in a very long-term channel. I mean, long, relatively speaking. None of these cryptos are more than a few years old. But, just to beat a dead horse, look at that volume. Lisk, LSK, very pretty saucer there. Litecoin, LTC, one of the kind of long-time big altcoins out there. Polygon, this is a good example of how the symbol, you would never guess the name. Polygon is MATIC, Matic. And this is another example of something which has gone up a lot already, and, it's pretty speculative to get into those levels because it's gone up just thousands of percent, it looks like. Maker, MKR. Neo, which is NEO. OKEX, which is symbol OKB. QTUM, completion of inverted head and shoulders, and then above that horizontal there. Symbol RLC, this one has the strange name of IEX.EC, that's a weird one. But you can see just out of the clear blue sky, multi-100% gain in volume recently. Usually when they do these base breakouts. Tron, which is symbol TRX. Monero, symbol XMR, steady growth in volume there. And our last symbol, Yearn.finance, YFE. Nice consolidation and rather expensive, actually more expensive than Bitcoin. Some of these cost like 10,000ths of a penny. This guy's up $77,000. So that is it. A lot of nice crypto and slope charts, and more on the site. So hope you enjoyed that.